Since 1941, we've delivered machines that are ahead of their time, designed to go the extra mile and built to last. Because nothing is more important than surface preparation. Dustless blasting dominates the industry with our superior machines that are made in a variety of sizes to take on any job. From standalone blast pots that are great for shop use, to our trailers and trucks that can tackle industrial work. We provide the products you need to make your business what you want it to be. Discover the possibilities at dustlessblasting.com.